Okay, with it being the exam tomorrow, not tomorrow, Wednesday, it's Monday today, Wednesday, I'm going to show you how to make coordinates for quadratic and linear graphs. Okay, now remember, if they ask you to draw a graph and they haven't given you a table, draw a table, but you don't have to work out the coordinates because I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, on this calculator, the two calculators are a bit different. Go into menu setup and go to the third one along. Okay, which is that one, which is table, and choose 3. You then get this come up, fx equals. Fx, as far as the calculator is concerned, is the same as y. Okay, so you can then put in your equation. So let's say we had 2x, now x is here on this bracket button, plus 5. Okay, nice simple one. I'm not going to do a quadratic. Quadratic is exactly the same thing. You just need to use the squared button when you're doing your x's. Okay, you don't need gx, don't worry about that one. This is your x value. So if it says x to minus 2 to 5, that's what you need to put in here. So type in minus 2 equals, I put minus 3, haven't I? 5, I can leave that, and it goes up in steps of 1. And there we go. So if you look, I'm going to bring that right up to the camera so you can see. This is your x value here. So those are our x values. So minus, if x is minus 3, y is minus 1. If x is minus 2, y is 1, and so on. Okay? Now, can you see that? And it goes down. You can just keep going down. So there's x equals 3, y would equal 11. Okay? And that's that. Now, to get back out, once you've written everything down that you need, go back into menu setup and choose 1. And it takes you back to normal. So on this calculator, it's a little bit different, and there are several ways you can do it, but I think I found the easiest. So the first thing you do is you press the function button, okay, and you go down to define fx, and we'll put in, I don't know, 3x, so you've actually got an x button on this one, take away 2. Okay, so there it is, and execute that, and it disappears, and you're thinking, oh my god, nothing's there. Go to home and you choose table again. All right, and then you go into tools. Now, if you've got one of these calculators, you probably know that tools normally just has undo in it. If you go in now, oh, look at that, you've got table range. Choose OK, and then you put in your things. So let's say it's minus 2. Execute. Now, this one's a bit different. You have to put a number in. I'm going to put 3 in, and I have to put another number in there. 1, that means it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you have to press execute. And there you go. Same as before. We've got this little table. And you can see that your x values are on the left and your y values are on the right. So again, just write them down. And that's it. Okay. So again, to get out, go to home and go to calculate. And that takes you back to normal. All right. Have a fantastic exam. Good luck.